In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Chatflows. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to elevate your customer service experience, this guide will help you set up a seamless chat system for your website. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the most out of this fantastic tool. Let's start by logging in or signing up for HubSpot if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Service tab. This is your main hub for accessing the tools needed to create and customize your chat flows. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it provides various options that you can leverage to enhance user interaction on your website. Once you're in the service area, you'll want to look for chat flows. Here, you'll have several choices, including website, mobile, and Facebook Messenger. For this demonstration, we'll select website as our chat type. This option is particularly valuable because it allows you to engage directly with visitors right on your site where your primary content and services are showcased. With the chat type selected, it's time to customize the chat widget's appearance. This is where you can really make your chat look and feel inviting. You'll want to set a welcoming message that aligns with your brand's voice and ensures that incoming messages or tickets are assigned to the right users or teams. Assigning tickets correctly is crucial as it ensures that inquiries are handled promptly and by the most appropriate personnel, thus enhancing the customer service experience. Next, move over to the Target tab. This feature allows you to specify exactly which pages of your website the chat widget should appear on. Strategic placement of the chat widget can help in capturing leads and providing support where it's most needed. Think about where your customers might need assistance the most. Is it on your pricing page, your product pages, or perhaps in your FAQs? Once you've targeted the appropriate pages, make sure to toggle the chat flow to the on position to activate it. This switch is what makes the chat live for your visitors to see and interact with. Remember, a chat flow isn't useful until it's live and functional, so don't skip this step. Now, navigate to the pages where you've set the chat flow to appear. The chat widget should show up conveniently in the bottom right corner. This is a standard and unobtrusive placement that lets users easily find and start a conversation without disrupting their browsing experience. Finally, take a moment to interact with the chat widget yourself to ensure it's working as expected. This testing phase lets you double-check both functionality and user experience to ensure smooth communication for your visitors. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set up and activated a HubSpot chat flow, ready to enhance the customer engagement on your website. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting.